Hey guys, how you doing? This is Brian here with Jet Skis International. Just a quick video on the proper direction of the seals installation on the Honda Aquatrax 155mm jet pump. Here's the water stator, seal A 91-251 HW1 670. This is going to be your external seal. Seal B 91-252 HW1 671. This is going to be your internal seal. Seal B is going to be your first seal. It's your internal open face seal. It's a single lip seal. It's going to go in the water stator first, closest to the bearing. After you press that seal in, seal A will go in next. It's going to be a two-faced, closed face seal. It's going to go in and it's going to be on the external of the housing facing the impeller. That should be what you see once you get everything pressed in, is that closed surface of the seal. This is a commonly asked question on people that are trying to rebuild their jet pump themselves. If you have any questions, feel free to give us a call, 813-413-7544, or shoot us an email at sales@jetskisint.com. Thank you.